Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2017 Ram 1500 ST Crew Cab. Under the hood we have a 5.7 liter V8 Hemi and a 6-speed automatic transmission. Okay, we have our keys here, 2 pressed to unlock, 1 pressed to lock, and our panic button just up there. But let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside. So on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all right there. Handle here and some storage right down here. Looks fantastic in here. These seats are very soft. The cloth seats are very nice. You do have the controls over the lights here, so your auto, your off, your daytime running lights, and your low beams, as well as your in-cabin light control here. And right up here, we do have the controls over the turning signals, high beams, and windshield wipers. Okay, let's start up here. Key in the ignition. And we are good to go. Now right in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. We also have the temperature outside, which way we're facing, and how many kilometers we have. 46,000, not too bad at all. Now we can change that around to our speedometer, vehicle info, fuel economy, trip A, trip B, messages, screen setup, and you can turn the menu off if it was bright or distracting to you. Now that is controlled from right here with your Bluetooth options, horn in the center, and your cruise control options right there. Gear shift is right here, just like that. Then right in the center we do have our 5-inch touchscreen display. So you do have your AM, your FM, and your Sirius XM all in there. You got your media tabs if you have one hooked up through USB, aux cord, or Bluetooth. You have your phone options here, compass, settings, and more. You also have your volume up and down with the mute, screen off, back button, and your TuneIn browser there. Down here we also have the power up and down for the climate. You have your circulation, AC and heat. You have your traction control. You have your hazard lights. You also have your where it's going to blow out of, plus your defrosts. Down here you got traction control and tow and haul mode. Over here you have a 2-wheel, 4-wheel lock, and 4-wheel low. Bit of storage right down here. And we do have 3 cup holders and the armrest. That doubles as a storage container. 3 coin holders, as well as you do have an aux cord and a USB plug-in. Close that up. Lift this up and you do have another seat underneath there. It does seat 6 people all together. Right over here we do have our top layer for our glove box and our bottom layer right there. Okay, let's take a look in the back. Open this guy up. On the door you do have your control over your windows, handle, and another handle, as well as some storage down there. Looks fantastic back here. Same material as the front. Feels great. You can lift this up and you got some storage just underneath there as well. And you do have your cup holders there, and you do have some storage just underneath the floor mats. And there's a 5.7 liter V8 Hemi. Well, that does it for my walk around video, the 2017 Ram 1500 ST Crew Cab. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching. This guy's in brilliant black. It looks great. You do have the black grille right up front with your chrome bumper. You do also have your halogen headlights right there. And coming around the side here, we do have 17-inch rims with Goodyear Wrangler brand tires. They look great. You do also have your heated exterior mirrors right here and coming all the way around to the back of the vehicle. It is a 5-foot box back here. Looks great. You do have the chrome bumper back here as well. Open this guy up. Lots of room back here. It is painted in the same color as the rest of the vehicle. Looks great.